Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today, as you can probably see from the title, my husband is going to be rating my Shein dresses. Yep. So if you guys want to see that, please go ahead and stay tuned. I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.
Like,
comment. That's right. Get them, babe. Get them.
Yeah.
What else them to do? Notification bell.
Notification
follow me on Instagram at Just Devi Marie. Follow my husband. No, don't follow him. Don't follow him. Follow our other page, Yardmans.
I am Stars on Instagram.
Hello?
Yeah.
Follow our other page at Yardmans. All the links and everything will be in the description, so be sure to check that out. Also, I want to remind you guys to check out the previous video on my channel and also my channel playlist. And the telling already to go like, subscribe over Yardmans, right? So if you don't watch Yardmans, you know well aware of who this is.
You should know who I am. Yep.
But it's in debut on my channel, so
finally.
Welcome.
Finally.
Thank you for gracing us with your presence.
I was thank you for coming.
It's true. I'm not even going to deny it.
Not ready. Not ready.
But not even going to deny it, say.
But there now. She convinced me some there.
There we go. There we go. So as I said before, I'm going to be letting hubby rate my Shein dresses. I'm also gonna tell you guys like the price and the size as we go through each piece. We're gonna be rating them out of what, 10 or 5?
I don't know what you think.
10. Can I rate them out of 10? I'm gonna be rating them out of 10. Okay. And I'll give you all the details. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the first outfit.
So you know what this means for me, right? I have to be here waiting for her to try on all these outfits this week.
It's not no only either, but anyway, I'm gonna put on the first outfit. I'm gonna tell you when I'm coming.
Guys,
so you close your eyes.
This is kind of torture, yeah?
So it's not gonna take long. I don't like me to do
I'm joking.
I don't like me to do ear. I'm literally gonna put on the dress and come back.
Okay.
Anyway, so when I am coming, I'm going to tell you to close your eyes, and you just close your eyes, and then I'm going to tell you to open back your eye and whatever, and we'll go through and read. When you can't see someone begging to come on here, based on all my going. Anyway, I'm going to get ready and come back. So I'll see you guys in the first outfit.
So I think the first dress is coming. My eyes are closed, so. Alright, I am ready.
Make sure they eye up.
Yeah, my eyes are closed. Okay.
Keep them closed.
They are closed. So can I open it now?
No, just wait.
Okay.
Alright, you can open it.
Alright.
Wow, you sound so uninterested. You want me to turn for you?
Yeah, spin.
Spin.
Okay.
Spin.
Alright.
Make sure you get in. You know?
So what is this dress called? Is there a specific name for it, etc., etc.?
Yeah, but that's not important. But that's why you rate the dress.
Oh.
I'll tell them the information after.
You see them thing there, people? You see them thing there? You said, now try to finish the thing now. You see what you did, man? Cool.
No, I'm gonna tell them the info.
Cool.
Afterwards.
Alright, so this look like a nice night out dress, like a nice ballroom type of dress. Out of 10.
Wait, what's it? That's all you have to say? It look like a nice dress?
It look like a nice
dress.
Does
my body look good?
I like the color. It does fit you.
You think it fits me well?
Yeah, it fits you well.
What do you think about the material? You want to have a touch?
What's this type of material?
I don't know, but do you like it?
It's nice. It's a nice.
What about the length? Do you like the length of it? Do you like the neckline? People might have to help him because
I don't.
Up to him, he just say one word and
fellas, if any man watch this, you know the thing. We just keep it short and simple.
Wow.
But yeah, the length is okay. For me, as can you turn that way?
Turn to you?
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
The folding type of thing.
It's called ruching, but
ruching,
yeah.
Right, so the ruching kind of, I don't know, but to it's just okay, it's fine, it's nice. So out of 10, I think I'll give it a 7.
A 7, wow. Wow.
A 7. I like the color as well. I like the color. I like the type.
And it still gets a 7, so low?
7.
So how much me get as a person?
Next dress, please.
Whoa. Anyway, guys, before we go to the next dress, I'm gonna give you guys the details. So as I said, all of the items came from Shein. The name of this dress, since you wanted to know so badly, it's called the Shein Ruched Keyhole Back Bodycon dress, and it does have a keyhole at the back.
Okay, then.
Let me turn around for you guys. Yeah, and it's a racer back kind of dress, so you know you have to wear strapless with this. And I got this for $7.52 on sale, and the size is a size large. Let me give my opinion. I think it's a really nice dress personally. I think the material is really thick. I like the way that it fits me. I like the way that it hugs my curves. I really do like the ruching because I think it makes it look a bit more flattering. So I do like that. And I like the color as well. At first when I ordered this dress, I was like, I'm not gonna like the color. Like the color not gonna look good, but it actually looked good. I think it looks good against my skin tone. I like the length, but one thing with this though is that you can't really stride. You can't take big strides because of the kind of length that it is, and it does come down, I guess, kind of, not taper. What's the opposite of taper? Or is it taper? Yeah, it tapers at the
right, so I was
at the bottom.
Like if you're walking, you know.
Yeah, so like if you're going up steps or not,
right,
like you probably have to pull it up a bit and step. But I think it's a cute dress. If I was going to a dressy function or a dressy occasion, it's definitely something that I would wear for sure.
Okay.
So I like it. If I was to rate it, I'd probably give it like an 8.5. Like that's how much I like it. And you know, sometimes with Shein, like it's kind of touch and go with the material, but I think the material is thick enough, especially if you're a thicker girl and if you're curvier, to kind of hold it in. So yeah, I would give this an 8. Anyway, next dress. Alright, I'm coming in. Alright, you can open your eyes. Alright, so this is the next dress. I'm going to turn to him so he can have a good view.
Okay. Alright, so this looks like a nice, it's a nice simple dress, something you could wear out to, you know, the beach or, you know, just a little day flex. I like the cut off shoulder vibe.
One shoulder.
I also like the color as well. It's like a olive type of color.
Yeah, it's like a light olive.
Right.
Yeah.
I like those green shades of I like those shades of green.
His favorite color is green, so he likes any shade of green.
Right. And it does fit your body nice as well. As she would say, hugs her curves, quote unquote. But
what the quotes for?
I'll give this an 8.5.
What? So you like this one more than the one before?
Yes.
What's it like about it? Because it's short? Like, because it's shorter?
Doesn't matter, I like it.
Okay, well yeah, this is the dress, people. As Sean was saying, it is it asymmetrical shoulder or one shoulder, however you describe it. And it does have like a spaghetti strap on it. The color, as he said, it is a very light olive kind of color. Let me tell you the details about it. 1 second, let me just bring it up on my phone. Alright, so the name of it is actually One Shoulder Ruched Bodycon dress. So honestly say, I kind of like the ruching because I feel like it's flattering, especially if you have like insecurities to hide. Like, yeah, and I got this dress for $5.29, and I got it in a size large. I really do like it. I think it fits me well. It's cute. Let me turn the back for you guys so that you guys can see what it looks like from the back. Yeah, I think it fits me well. I like the color. The material is also not bad. It is a ribbed kind of material as well, if you guys were wondering. I don't know if the camera is actually picking that up, but it is a ribbed material. I think it's a cute outfit. I feel like you can wear it to different occasions. You can wear it if you're on vacation, or you can dress it up and wear it to dinner if you want. Yeah. So I like this dress. I think I'll give it though. I think I'll give it what you gave the first dress. I think I'll give it like a 7. I think it's just kind of basic, but it still look good. Like it still have a little vibe, you know what I mean? So I think I'd give this a 7. So this was dress number 2, And now I'm going on to dress number 3. Alright, so you're probably going, what? Never tell for me, Anyway, you need to help me finish up this dress. That's the thing about trying to like do a reveal. For your spouse, they're not there to help you zip up things. So I need your assistance to just zip up this.
Okay.
So yeah. Obviously he had to help me zip this up because I couldn't do it by myself. So thoughts?
Red is always an attractive color.
Yeah, I'm matching 20 with you.
Right, it's a nice dress. I like the color. Again, another evening type of dressing. Again, I like the cut off shoulder vibe. It does hug your curves. Yes.
I'm using no words, no people.
Yeah, I'm learning. Yeah, the material seems really nice as well. You know, it don't seem cheap. Yeah, it's a good nice dress.
Yeah.
Right.
How much would you give it out of 10? Wow, what a deep sigh.
It's a nice dress, but
it's a nice dress, but what?
I give it an 8.
Really? I'm still shook that.
I give it an 8. Just before I get an 8 and a half, I'll give this an 8.
Wow.
Yeah.
You realize people that him really like simple vibe, like if you realize that he might like simple things, he don't like things that is too fussy, which is why I kind of feel like he gave this an 8. But yeah, let me just do a little spin for you guys. I think the top of it is really interesting. I don't usually wear red clothes, to be honest. I think red is a very bold and a very robust color. But I actually bought this because I was going to a formal event. Yeah, that's why I bought this. I don't really have a lot of like maxi dresses or like mermaid style dresses because it does have a mermaid hemline, I think, which is cute, and I feel like mermaid hemline also is very flattering on a lot of different body types, and I feel like it's flattering on mine. It does have a little ruching or gathering right here. I guess, you know, to make the midsection look a bit more flattering. Yeah, I mean, let me tell you the details of the dress and the price that I got it for. So this is the Shein fold over asymmetrical neck fishtail hem dress. So it's a long name. I got it in a size large, and the price that I paid for it on sale was $14.13. So I think the price was good. If you don't know about Shein, they're always having a sale. Someone always has a discount code on YouTube. So make sure you take advantage of that so we can get some money off. Also, when you want to review things, like on order and stuff like that on Shein, you get points, which equates the money off your order. So make sure you're taking advantage of all of those things. But yeah, I like the dress. To me, it fit me like a little bit too tight. I probably should have gone up in size on it, to be honest. But I actually feel like this was the largest size in it. But it is kind of tight. But I know dresses like these are supposed to fit tight, like they're supposed to fit your body. But I think it's cute, and for the occasion, like a formal occasion, I think it's a nice option as well. So yeah, I like it. I actually think I would give this, I'll give this a 7. But like a low 7, so like close to like a 6.8. You know what I'm saying? Not a full 7, but it can kind of pass for the 7. That's how much I'd give this dress. It's okay, a little bit uncomfortable because it's kind of tight. That just maybe because I needed to go a size up, I don't know. But as I said, I got it in a large. But I like how the neckline looks very interesting, and I do like the fish hem aspect of it. I think it's very flattering. But yeah, to me it's just okay. It's just okay. I mean, I would wear it, but just okay. Alright, open your eyes.
Wow. This is nice.
I don't know if this is the best for last or what.
This is the last one?
Maybe.
Okay. This is nice. This is nice, people. I like it. I do like this. I love the color. I love the leopard-like texture.
I think it's cheetah.
Yeah.
Is it cheetah?
Or cheetah.
I don't know the difference between cheetah and leopard prints.
Right.
One of them
it's
animal
that type of
prints.
vibe. I like it. I do like it. And first out the box, this is a 10 right here. Never watched it.
Just like that.
Just like that. It's a 10. It's a 10 right there. I love this. Yeah.
It's a 10.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let me tell you the details about the dress. Yeah, I have some things to say about this dress. So it's called the Shein one shoulder all over print bodycon dress. It was $10.03 at the sale price. So this dress, right?
I love the color. It's like a brownish pinkish vibe. I love it. I love it.
It's like brown and pink.
Really nice.
Brown and pink, or like mauve. I don't know. Brown and pink. One shoulder asymmetrical. It's a little bit outside of what I usually wear. As you can see, there's like a cutout right here. There's a lot of like cleavage showing. I mean, I don't have cleavage. I'm not a big busted person. I think the bust part is a little bit big for me. As I said, I'm not a big busted person. But if you have bigger busts, I did get this in a size large. Forgot to tell you guys that I got it in a size large. So if you have bigger busts, I feel like it could possibly work for you, because to be honest, there's a lot of space in the bust area. For me, I feel like I just have to be careful, because you know, anything can happen, and I wouldn't want any accidents, if you guys know what I'm talking about. But I think the style is cute. It does have ruching again, and probably I said a bare ruching and a bare one shoulder asymmetrical. I guess I was just feeling the asymmetrical vibe. But yeah, the material is also really soft, really nice, good quality. Go again.
Touch third, man. That's cool.
He's always trying to cop a feel in. Anyway, yeah, the material is nice. I think it fits me well, but a little bit out of my comfort zone. Let me just turn the back so you guys can see how it fits at the back.
I was feeling the material, by the way.
You're feeling the material,
yeah.
As in me. I'm the material. The dress material,
the dress, yeah.
But me.
Continue.
Yeah, so this dress is it's nice, but it's just out of my comfort zone. I don't know, you guys can let me know what you think if you would wear something like this. I will try my best to put all the links for everything in the description, as I usually do, and tell you my size and the price, where the link is in the description as well. But yeah, yeah, this is the dress. I actually have one more dress.
So what would you do this dress?
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you for telling me. I'll give this dress, I think I'll give this dress an 8. I think I'll give it an 8. It's because I'm not used to wearing things that are so low in cleavage. That's why. If the cleavage area was like, it fit properly, because to me it's just too big, like too baggy. I don't think it fits like how it fits on the model. That's why I give it an 8. But everything else, it's cute. I love the prints, love the kind of material.
Yes, ladies, get this one. Put this one in your catalog. Yeah.
Yeah, for the man them.
Buy it.
Can the list buy it?
Yeah, this is a 10 right here. Trust me. This is a high. Wow. This is a eye catcher. High catcher. This is a eye catcher.
It's a high catcher.
Yeah, it's a high catcher. High. For real.
Woo!
Come on.
Yeah, so as I was saying, I do have one more dress, but I'm very iffy about it. I don't think it's going to fit. So if I come back, I'm still in another dress here, and I know say it never fit, but I'll probably just carry it so that you guys can have a look at it. So yeah, on to the next dress, hopefully. Alright, open your eyes. But this one cannot fit me. Like, I don't think it can zip up.
Yeah,
like,
you can see that it is very, very.
Yeah, very roomy.
Yeah. Well, as in.
It can't zip up. Like, literally, like, I don't think it can zip up.
Oh, I was thinking like, you know.
Here look big.
Yeah, right.
Because it can't. I don't think it can zip up. I mean, you can try, but I don't think that's gonna meet at all.
No.
This not gonna meet. This not no stretch at all. I have to get my phone to tell you the price. But yeah, this is as far as this could go. So if you guys are in my comments and probably smaller than me, this is a size large, I know that much. I'll probably insert the price up here on the screen or check the description. The price will be in the description. But yeah, I wanted to go for a different look. This is actually supposed to be like an A-line kind of dress. It's supposed to have a cutout here. But obviously it's not zipped up, so you guys I can't turn around and show you guys. But it is short. It's really short on me. So if you're probably shorter than me and a little bit smaller than me, this could probably work for you. So if you're a subscriber and you want this, you can DM me or something and you can get it. But this not gonna work. This is not gonna work at all. Okay. But yeah. I mean, I don't know if you can. I can't even turn good make you see because I don't want to expose myself. It's a wrap dress. It's a nice wrap, so yeah. This part opens. You actually wrap it around yourself, and there's a zip in the back, but the zip can't go up. So yeah, so and it has no stretch. Part, it's like you wrap it round, so there's nothing. So like you wrap here. This part. So there's another piece of material here. Oh, so you can. So you right exactly. Oh. Then that's why you asked. Yeah. Wow. I get it now. Wow. Yeah. So you can actually untie this dress, but if it fit, maybe it would be like a cute like vacation vibes kind of dress, but it does not fit. I actually think the large was the largest size in the dress. This is a nice dress. The idea, the concept of it is really nice. Yeah, because you have easy access here and easy access here. Easy access. But no, say that to what it goes. But I already know from the earring, I'm gonna on the rabbit one to say yeah, that's what you want. But yeah. This is the easy access dress. Yeah, this is not gonna work at all, people. So my smaller friends, DM me and we can work out how you can get this. But this can't fit. This cannot fit at all. Actually feel like I want to close out the video in the 10 out of 10 dress. Okay. Because I'm uncomfortable. Like I can't gesticulate how I want to gesticulate because the dress is so short and because the whole of back is out because the zip not even go up halfway. I probably only go up halfway and I don't want to flash you guys. I think I would give this dress. You still want to rate it? Yeah, I still would give it a rating of 7.5. What? And it can't even go on good? I mean not because it can't fit you, but I love the concept and as I said, easy access. And as I said, easy access. People to hear him. It's a nice color as well, a nice tan color. It's a nice it's a nice color, but the material has no stretch, no give. So yeah, this not gonna work. One link. Alright guys, I'll be back in the 10 out of 10 dress to close up the video. Soon come. Alright guys, so no better way than to end the video in the best dress. Okay, the 10 out of 10 dress. So I want to thank you guys again for watching another episode of Just Devi Marie. I want to thank my lovely husband for being a part of this video. We hope that he will be in more videos. If you guys want to see Sean in more videos, please comment and please like the video, okay? I will just, pop in and please comment and like the video if you guys enjoyed Sean being a part of today's video. So yeah, like the video. Remember to check out the previous video. And we'll talk about it after here. So please remember to check out the previous video on my channel playlist. And remember to check out our channel together called Yardments. Definitely. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.